Good evening, my great friends. This is Freedom Rider coming at you. And I have a short video on something I think you might be interested in. It's a simple item. It's a simple item for a finished look on your motorcycle. Front end, front wheel, front axle cover. And it's a Harley Davidson product. It's $35 roughly for a set of axle covers. They go on the front of the bike. There's really no need to put them on the back of the bike. Nobody can see your back wheel for the most part anyway. But I put these on, excuse me, I put these on the other day, and I've got to tell you, I really like them, and there's a couple of things to know when you get these and go to put them on. First off, make sure that you read the directions carefully, because the directions are a little bit confusing, or at least they were to me. And when you see a single pair of set screws that go with the covers, it gets a little bit confusing as to, you know, did I get shorted a pair of set screws? Because I only have one package of 2 set screws, and yet I have 2 axle covers. Anyway, the bottom line is that it's supposed to be that way, and you have to position the individual set screws according to the make and model of your bike. And everything works out great. You only need the one package in the kit, and the set screws do come with a thread lock already on them, so you don't have to buy any thread lock. Contrary to what you may hear out there in the internet world, the set screws do come with thread lock right on them. Also, too, another thing to consider is make sure that when you do put that set screw in, you know, you might want to make sure it's on the bottom of your, you know, you want to make sure that the cover is turned so that the set screw is on the bottom instead of the top. I don't know if you can see that there, but underneath is where the set screw goes in and makes contact. So anyway, guys, as I say, this is a nice item. This is just a short video, and you know, hopefully I'll have some additional things to come in the future to show you what I got here. I'm trying to break everything down into individual videos, but I will do a walk around of the complete bike soon and show you what I have here. I do have some other things that I'd like to get, but I haven't got them yet. It's been a supply chain issue, and quite honestly, you know, it's tough to get parts. But I was able to get this, and I thought I would bring it to you. And I appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you on the next video.